Fireproofing is a critical aspect of ensuring the safety and structural integrity of buildings, infrastructure, and industrial facilities. The purpose of a fireproofing test is to evaluate the performance and effectiveness of fire-resistant materials, coatings, or systems under simulated fire conditions. These tests assess how well a material or assembly can withstand exposure to high temperatures, prevent the spread of flames, and maintain structural stability to protect lives and property.
Okay, we're going to go through this test. The right side is treated, the left side is non-treated. So we're going to let that dry. Here, let's just soak it some more. So tomorrow we're going to take a torch and we're going to see how fast this catches on fire, which most likely will take forever, versus the non-treated side. So stay tuned. So yesterday I soaked this wood. On the right side is treated and on the left side is non-treated. So we're going to take this torch and we're going to try and start it on fire to test for the true fireproofing test. I've got compressed air to blow out the fire. We're testing it on gravel because that's non-flammable. Ready for this? Let's do it. Okay, so it's burning. But it goes out quickly. You see that? It goes out quickly. It's still salvageable. Now the non-treated, it should go up in fire much faster. Oh yeah, look at that. Well, in my opinion, the non-treated is definitely more flammable. Now, let's do this older piece of wood. Again, treated is on the right. That's pretty good, actually. I think the older wood soaked up more of the fireproofing, so that's more of a test. The newer wood didn't soak up as much. So especially if you do 2 coats, the treated wood will be a lot more resistant. And no one will be taking this torch directly to the wood. If I'm going to be grinding and welding inside my wood shed, it's not going to be directly like this torch is. So that's a pretty good test. Now the non-treated, that should be on fire instantly. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's extremely flammable. You could see the difference. So again, I highly recommend the treated stuff. Let's do it again. Let's flip this one over. Flip this over, because I did the back too. Let's make the flame further away because that's a lot more accurate. No one is going to be actively taking the torch directly to the wood, but chances are it's further back. There you go. That's actually pretty good. It actually took a long time. It actually took a while to get charred like that. Now, the non-treated. Oh yeah, huge difference. Huge difference. So again, with the flame backed off away from the wood, the treated makes a huge difference. And now for the old wood, once again. Wow, that's actually pretty good. The older wood soaked up more fireproofing and the newer wood didn't soak up as much, but you can still do 2 coats on either one. Now for the non-treated side. Oh yeah, that is for sure extremely, extremely vulnerable right there. The treated totally makes a difference. For older wood, it soaks up more. The newer wood, you'll need 2 coats. And there you have it. Treated wood makes all the difference. I highly recommend this product.